Hi, my name is Bojana and I am an English teacher from Serbia, Belgrade. I teach English online, so please contact me via Viber or email. This is my phone number, plus 381 6289 50866, or send me an email. This is my email address. Bojana, that's my name, Basta Damjanović, that's my last name, it's long, I know, at gmail.com. So please contact me and we can talk about how I can help you learn English faster. If you don't need conversational classes, you just need this online video tutoring, please stay here on my channel and please click subscribe so that you can get notifications every time I have a new video coming up. And I'll have many new videos coming up very soon. Okay? So today we will learn an important modal verb, very important modal verb, will. Okay? Will. Why do you need this? Why do you need will? When you talk about future, okay? Not now, not today, but future. For example, now it is 2019. But in the future, it will be 2020, for example. In 2020, you will speak English. Yay! In 2020, you will speak English, right? You will speak English. Now, you don't speak English. You don't speak English very well. You speak just a little, right? But in 1 year time, in 2020, wow, you will speak English, okay? Future. So if something is not happening right now, it will happen in the future, okay? Future, you need modal verb will. You just put will in front of another verb, okay? So for example, you will speak, you will learn, you will do that. So you will do something. That's for the future. Good news is that you can use will for everybody, okay? So you say, I will, you will, he, my husband, my brother, my friend, my son, he will, she, my mother, my sister, my daughter will, we will, me and you together, we will, and then they, some people there, they will. For everybody, you use will. And when you want to say no, negative, you use will not, will not, or shorter, won't, okay? So you say won't. I won't work tomorrow. I will stay at home. I won't learn German. I will learn English. I won't help you. I will do it myself. Okay? So you use will and then you add. You need one more verb, okay? Will plus verb. Will plus what? I will learn. I will cook. I will speak. I will talk. I will go, right? Question form. When you want to ask a question, you just put will at the beginning of the sentence, okay? So you say, will you work tomorrow? Yes, I will. Or no, I will not. I won't work tomorrow. Will you learn English? Yes, I will. No, I will not. Will you travel to Canada soon? Yes, I will. No, I will not. Will you visit America? Yes, I will. No, I will not. Okay? So you put will at the beginning of the sentence to ask a question. Okay? Ask a question. For answer, you use will or will not for negative. Okay. So Now you need to know these words. Words that help you. Words that help you talk about future. Okay? Future. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Not today, tomorrow I will go to San Francisco, for example. Or in 2 days. Not today, not tomorrow, in 2 days, in 5 days, in 6 months, in 2 years, okay? Future. And then you can say next, okay? Next. Not this week, next week. Not this month, next month. For example, now it's June, next month is July, okay? For example, now it's 2019, next year it's 2020, okay? So next year I will move to Canada. Or you say next month I will start a new job. Or you say next week I will take a vacation. I will not work, I will take a vacation next week, okay? Next weekend I will go hiking, for example, okay? So next is a good word for the future. Next, not now, not this, but next. Okay, tomorrow, in 2 days, in 2 hours, in 5 minutes, or next. These are good words for the future. And also soon. Not now, but very, very soon. I'll see you soon, right? I'll talk to you soon. I'll tell you soon, okay? So very, very soon in the future. Okay, this was a lesson about future tense. This was a lesson about modal verb will. I hope it was useful. I hope you can learn a lot with me. Please contact me. This is my phone number. This is my email address. Contact me. I'll be happy to help you learn English online. And of course, subscribe to this channel so that you can get notifications about my future videos.